This one came out in 1989, I believe. It's an even more complex blend than this iconic scent here. Here are the notes. Now this Floriental has also gone through reformulation, and I have no idea if this is the vintage version or not. Ooh. Oh, I just sprayed my fingers. Yeah, so this starts off with a really soapy quality, sharp, and I get cinnamon in here, although it's not listed in the notes, but it's definitely got a spicy kick. The scent is rich and balmy, and there's a cherry note coming through that I really like. It's a warm, heavy, and smooth fragrance of indistinguishable flowers with amber and incense. It's sweet with the vanilla, but mature thanks to the dank patchouli and oak moss combo. You know, I actually get Coca-Cola in this. Now that I've smelled the Coke, that's all I smell. But not cherry Coke. The cherry in here is not as sweet, but there's definitely also like that fireball jawbreaker vibe from the cinnamon. Not that there's cinnamon, but there's some sort of spicy gourmand note in here. I would not wear this in the summer, and I wouldn't wear this in the summer either, to be honest. This one's very sultry, but it is very dated. Georgio too is dated, but I think you can get away with it more. This one, perhaps not so much, at least not for me. It's kind of like, it's too much of too much. And I'm no Joan Collins. Interestingly, I've heard this fragrance compares to Tom Ford's Fleur de Chine. So if you like your Tom Ford frags but don't have a fat wallet, this might be a great alternative. But please don't take my word for it, because I personally have not sniffed out Fleur de Chine. The performance with this fragrance is also well above average, but I don't think red here is as obnoxious as Cousin Georgio. If you think you'd like either of these fragrances, I'd definitely buy them. Super bang for your bucks, and you won't need many bucks to begin with.